EDP Truck to Own Program. So ito na to ha. Congratulations sa iyo. Ang pangalawa po na truck driver na nangarap magkaroon ng sariling truck bilang
Bawal
truck
mo na muna
operator.
to, sa'yo na to.
Maraban, ito pa rin natin yung pangarap na maging truck own operator.
So, naka-line up natin sa Truck to Own program si Buddy Gary Metran. Ayan, oh. Hintayin nyo to ha, hintayin nyo to. 4HK1 na 14 feet. Yan, dito sa Zambales, Buds. Buds, Zambales ka, di ba?
Zambales, Zambales.
Okay, hintayin natin to ha. Truck to Own program, pangalawang truck driver na TDP, nangarap at magkaroon ng sariling truck. So, sa pamamagitan ng Finest Import at Truck Drivers Philippines. Yon. Truck to Own program number 2. Test drive na namin ni Buddy. Yan, Buddy Gary. Kasama ka, boss. Kasama ka. Bal, ano masasabi mo?
Quality!
Quality. Yan, ganda ng performance nito. Buds, tapos na. Kumusta yung performance ng engine?
Okay, quality.
Quality. Okay.
Tsaka na lang.
Konting tiyaga na lang. Oh. Tagumpay na, tagumpay na. Truck to Own program natin kay Buddy Gary Metran. Yan, ng Zambales. Thank you, Buds.